CTI Grove digital inputs using the session-based driver. Here's an example. So you go to Scratchpad, you go to Grove, you go to digital inputs, you double click on there. That'll bring up that front panel. So this is the front panel. If we look at the hardware, I've got my Pico and it's shield, they call them, not hats. It's a shield and it's plugged into D16, and then we've got our Grove dual button. You can see there's marked 2 and 1 there. So green is 2, red is 1. So going back to the front panel, we select the COM port, and this can be a bit fiddly. Just finding which COM port is the right one. I happen to know it's COM 11, but sometimes it's a bit trial and error, you just go through them. You know when you got the good right one because the identity will come up here and the vendor and the version number. So we press run. There's the vendor and everything, and now we'll see on the diagram that on the video that the Pico is flashing. That means it's talking. There's communication going on, and this is essentially is asking, oh, has anything been pressed? So it's polling. So if I press the green button, we'll see the green light come on the front panel. Press the red one, and the red one will come up on the front panel. And that is digital inputs. So let's just have a quick look at how that's done. So inside the block diagram, and LabVIEW has a nice feature called execution highlights. So if I stop it and we run it again, we'll just see the execution highlight go. So execution highlights that one. I call it slow-mo, and it's the program working in slow motion, and then you'll see the lines go down. So again, there it goes. There's the GPIO numbers, and now it's going to go round and round. So it's looping round, timing out. The event structure is just there just to provide a timeout, 100 millisecond timeout, and monitor the stop button. So now you can see it's coming out as a true, which is its default state. We want it to look slightly different, so we just knot it. And if I press that, you can see it's a bit slower to respond, but that's because it's in slow motion mode. You can also do a probe here. So let's do a probe. You can see here it's coming up as a false. And if I press the button, oops, the wrong one. Probe that one. So I press the button, it comes up as a true. And release it, it comes up as a false. So you can probe the data, and that is digital inputs. Press stop. You'll see it now go into the stop and exit out.